Part 10. Effect of human activities on spheres. Humans have a huge impact on all spheres. Negative impacts such as burning fossil fuels pollute the atmosphere, filling up our waste in landfills affect the lithosphere. Pumping waste into the oceans harms the hydrosphere, and overfishing and habitat destruction can reduce the diversity of living things in the biosphere. However, people everywhere are working to change things. Recycling efforts are increasing all over the world, and companies are finding new ways to reduce fossil fuels. All the four spheres on Earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere, are interrelated very closely. Due to the collective impact of all these spheres, conditions favorable for life have developed on Earth. Lithosphere is useful in many ways. It is the home of mankind. It gives space for constructing homes, obtaining fresh water and land for cultivation, as well as forest and useful minerals for industries. Hydrosphere provides fresh water to all living organisms. Atmosphere provides life-giving oxygen to all living organisms. No life form can survive without air and water. That part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere where the living world exists is called a biosphere. This is the one of the important sphere on Earth, as this is the only planet in the solar system that has the biosphere. Thus, all four spheres are interrelated. Various human activities going to affect different spheres that will destroy its natural qualities. The pollution on atmosphere, it will affect biosphere and hydrosphere along with the lithosphere also. Each and every spheres of the earth is interrelated. Human activity is going to affect one of the sphere, it will affect other spheres also. Damages towards the spheres will affect and non-living organisms of these spheres. Human beings knowingly and unknowingly undertake many activities for their development. Human action causes an imbalance in the different spheres. Due to this, the balance of various spheres is threatened. Underground nuclear testing, too much drilling for mineral oil, and excessive drilling of two wells affect the lithosphere and causes an imbalance. The dumping of waste from village and the cities along with the industrial waste into the water bodies pollute them. The polar ice caps have started melting due to increasing heat. Oil spills from ships and disposal of industrial and chemical waste into the water causes the destruction of marine life, which is highly dangerous for the hydrosphere. Harmful gases emitted by industries, workshops, power stations, and vehicles pollute the air. The areas with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon monoxide in the air. The amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases due to the cutting of trees. Heat on the air increases due to increase in carbon dioxide in the air. In this way, human activities affect the biosphere. The nurturing lungs of nature are endangered due to the exploitation of environment with endangers the biosphere. In this paragraph, we can see human being knowingly or unknowingly doing some harmful activities towards our environment or towards the four spheres of the earth as a part of various types of the developmental activities, human action creating imbalance between various spheres. Due to this, survival of various living and organisms are going to difficult. Underground nuclear testing, too much drilling of minerals and excessive drilling of tube wells affect the lithosphere, and dumping of throwing of different type of waste on the land along with the industrial and wastewater. Also, it pollute the lithosphere, along with it pollute the hydrosphere also. The increased heat that will affect the polar caps, ice covered areas, so and that ice going to melt. The oil spills from ships, oil transportation through ships that are going to spill to the water and mingle with the water, especially seawater, and the disposal of industrial and chemical waste into the water. It will affect the hydrosphere and it will destroy many type of aquatic life, and harmful gases emitted by industries, workshops, power stations, vehicles, etc. are polluted the atmosphere. The areas with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon monoxide in the air. It will increase the temperature, mainly the reason of increasing carbon dioxide because of cutting trees. In this way, human activity is going to affect the various spheres of the earth, and it will damage and break the nurturing links of nature itself. Have a link and a connection with one to another. Various biotic and abiotic factors are related that are going to affect the nurturing links of nature are endangered, going to extinct or going to stop that activities due to the exploitation of environment, which endangers the biosphere also. The four spheres are interconnected. So human impact on one sphere will potentially affect the other sphere. The release of plastic pollution into the oceans or any other forms of hydrosphere will impact on aquatic life or a part of the biosphere. The production and the release of CFC or carbon related gases into the atmosphere will affect the impact of ultraviolet and other harmful rays and radiation on the biosphere. Increasing the amount of carbon dioxide and other related gases in the atmosphere, it will affect the ozone layer and it is going to weakening the ozone layer. Ozone layer will protect the harmful rays from the sun, and so harmful rays coming to directly hit on earth and other greenhouse gases is going to increase the global temperature. It will make a different type of the problems in various spheres of the earth. As a result of emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide to the atmosphere by human activities, and different places of the world, different type of problem regarding the over exploitation of the human being. And in some places, a different type of the disease also going to spreading because of the human activities, pollutions, and other related problems. Along with the impact of the human, natural calamities as well as the man-made calamities also going to happen, and it will affect the environment as well as the people. In this chapter, one activity for you: make a list of natural events and human activities that have adversely affected various spheres of the earth. Another one project work for you: find out the sources of pollution in your surrounding and study its effect as well as suggest a solution to eradicate it.